This one's for you, Allie. 'Cause I know how much you love the waterfalls. This is called Vernal Falls. You can see it way in the distance. Let me zoom in. It's huge in the spring, but it's almost dried up now. And it'll freeze over in the summer, or in the winter rather. Let's walk to this side. There's Papa. Hi, Papa.
Hi, guys.
And this side of the bridge. And by the way, we hiked this. We are way up high. We hiked at 400 feet up to this bridge that we're on. And there's the pretty water. You can use this to go to sleep tonight, Alex. It's your last night. Beautiful, huh? Stunning.